how can I enable Apple Intelligence? So in order to do that, first of all, go ahead to the settings, right? And then go ahead to the general, and then go ahead to the software update, and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version in order for this to work out. And you're gonna be able to get the feature automatically. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to the main settings, and I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until I find Siri, right? I'm gonna go ahead right here and click Siri. Now as you can see right here, I didn't or the Apple Intelligence feature did not did not come across me. So that means that I will not don't have that feature yet. But if you update your iOS to the latest version, you're gonna get that feature sooner rather than later, and for specific devices. So if you're using iPhone less than 15, 14, or 16 even, you won't probably there is less chance of you getting that feature. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.